So today I wanted to talk about dopamine interiors. In very simple terms, dopamine is a chemical that's released in the brain to make us feel good. So you may have heard of dopamine dressing, wearing the rainbow to make you feel happy, joyful, confident. Well, dopamine interiors is basically doing that, bringing joy and happiness within your interiors. So to bring that dopamine hit, we're going to look at three things today. We're going to look at colour, pattern and scale. Here I've got a selection of fabrics and paint colours, and we've sort of zoned them into spring colours, summer colours, autumn colours and winter colours. And this is where you've got to find where you kind of lie. I am a spring colour lover, and so this is my colour palette that really resonates with me. So I've got loads of colours within that colour palette, but to get that dopamine hit, we've got to find the colour that really does it for me. I love all of these colours, but the one that really brings me lots and lots of joy is pink. So that's kind of my hero colour, so that's the colour I want to kind of bring out. So I would sort of bring these much brighter pinks as my sort of joyful colours, and then I would layer it up with all of the other colours, because you don't just want to live in a big pink home. Again, with the spring colours, find your one. Maybe it's a blue. You can use all of those other different tones, but bring your hero colour out, the one that really, really brings you joy. Okay, so we've chosen our sort of hero colour as such, but you don't really want to have lots of just pops of a flat colour. So pattern is really important. There are so many beautiful patterned fabrics and wallpapers around. And what you need to do is find, again, your hero kind of fabric. It's going to bring in lots of those other colours within your colour palette, which is what you want to do to stop it looking too blocky. Once you've found your hero fabric, so something like this, which I absolutely adore, this is what lifts me, brings me joy, a fabric that you see and you just think, oh my God, this is amazing. And then what we'll do is we have this, and then we can layer it up with other fabrics, other colours, to kind of give it a much more evolved look. Wallpapers, great way of using pattern in your home, and we've got a selection here, again in all the different kind of colour groups, some autumn, winter, spring ones, nice summer prints. The thing here is to get that impact and to be brave. If you can't be brave in your sitting room or your bedroom, try starting off with like a cloakroom, wallpapering a cloakroom, wallpapering inside your wardrobe, something like that, just to add a little bit of a fun. It's that element of surprise, that hit of sort of joy that you have from seeing something like this. Again, really important to get your colour tone right and have something you adore. Spend your money on something that you really, really love, and then you'll always love it. Okay, and our third one is scale. Scale is really, really important for that kind of dopamine hit. If you had one of these wallpapers, and let's say you're decorating your cloakroom and you put it up on one wall in your little toilet, you'd walk in and it would be like, yeah, that's nice, it looks sweet, it's pretty. However, if you decorated the whole of that cloakroom, it's going to be such a bigger effect, a bigger dopamine hit. It's really joyful. You're going to walk in, it's unexpected, and it gives you that wow. So be brave, just go a little bit bigger. The same thing on things like cushions. So if you found your lovely hero fabric that you adore, and let's say in your bedroom you're going to put a couple of cushions, if you put small ones, it's just not going to hit the mark. So go big. So think about that. Think of the size of your bed and make the cushions larger. Give that dramatic impact. So when you come in, you're really going to see it. Same things with art, placing it above your sofa or on a wall. Fill that space. Don't go small. Spend a little bit more money and get that impact, because that's going to give you your wow when you walk in. Okay, so in summary, find your colour, number one, most important. Be brave, and then just have fun with it. Enjoy it.